Can you tell me about PowerPoint?
Microsoft PowerPoint is the presentation software that is powered by Microsoft. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software developed by Microsoft.
Okay. It is used.
Ma'am, people use it for business meeting, classroom lecture